Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create blur effect for our video editing using InShot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot, and first of all, I'm going to open my project. So this is the project I have just created, and I'm going to add blur effect to this video. We can go to the effect menu and go to the effect, right? And we need to scroll all the way to the right around here until we find the style category, and you have to choose the blur effect, this one, and you can customize how blurry you want it to be. And then I'm going to make it super blur like this, and then we can click on this check mark and we can make it the blur effect align with our video. You need to drag the effect like this, and now it's done. This is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create blur effect for our video editing using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.